In this session, let us learn about HTML Uniform Resource Locators URL encode. URL is another word for a web address. The URL can be composed of words, example Ponnuri Gopie Krishna.in, or an internet protocol IP address, example 192.68.20.50. Most people enter the name in surfing because names are easier to remember than numbers. URL Uniform Resource Locator. URL Uniform Resource Locator. Web browsers request pages from web servers by using a URL. The Uniform Resource Locator is used to address a document or other data on the web. A web address is like https www.ponnurigopikrishna.in html default.asp. Follow these syntax rules. Scheme columns here / prefix.domain, while again column port / path / file name. Explanation. Scheme defines the types of internet services. Most common is HTTP or HTTPS. Prefix defines the domain prefix. Default for HTTP is www. Domain defines the internet domain name like Ponnuri Gopie Krishna.in. Port defines that port number at the host. Default for HTTP is 80. Path defines the path at the server if omitted the root directory of the site. File name defines the name of a document or resource. Common URL scheme. HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Common web page not encrypted. HTTPS Secure Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Secure web page encrypted. FTP File Transfer Protocol. Downloading or uploading files. File on your computer. And URL encoding. URLs can only be set over the internet using the ASCII character set. If a URL contains characters outside the ASCII set, the URL has to be converted. The URL encoding converts non-ASCII characters into a format that can be transmitted over the internet. URL encoding replaces non-ASCII characters with a % followed by hexadecimal digits. URL cannot contain spaces. URL encoding normally replaces space with a plus sign or %20. Try it yourself. If you click submit, the browser will URL encode the input before it is sent to the server. A page at the server will display the received input. Try some other input and click submit again. ASCII encoding examples. Your browsers will encode input according to the character set used in your page. The default character set in HTML5 is UTF-8. See here from Windows 1252 from UTF-8 it looks like this. %8 A3 A9 AE CO C1 C2 C3 C4 C5. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 52 URL encode. In next video let us learn about another topic, HTML vs XHTML. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.